big launch isn't just about homes, it's about location. Just opposite to Kudlugate Metro Station. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jaital and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Puravankara Group launching its new tower at Purva West End, which is located in Kudlugate. And right now we are here at the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surroundings. Just behind me is the land parcel of our project. The main entrance is right over here. In this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, where our project is spread across 1.7 acre with single tower, where our tower is rising from 2 basement ground and goes up to 20 floor. Here you can choose between 2 and 3 BHK premium homes. Here you get only 145 apartment. Talking about the location part, and our project is located just opposite to Kudlugate Metro Station in Kudlugate, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. The main entrance is on the left hand side over here and the Kudlugate Metro Station on the right hand side. So basically this is the service road of Electronic City flyover, with this road on the back end side will connect you towards Bombay Sandra and the opposite side road will connect you towards HSR. The Kudlugate Metro Station
is walkable 1 minute. Noel Tech Park 5 minutes away. The Majestic Sports is 6 minutes away from our project.
Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 30 plus luxurious amenities where you get 12,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, infinity pool, kids play area, meditation zone, landscape garden, multi-purpose court and much more luxurious amenities. Now if you're looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer, as many home buyers are not aware of their rights. Like for example, if you're purchasing a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. Now coming to the super built up area, so we have two options, that is 2 and 3 BHK in our project, where 2 BHK is 1300 square feet and 3 BHK is 1900 square feet super built up area. Let's now discuss about the booking process. Currently our project is in pre-launch stage, so we are open with the expression of interest, that is EOI window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our project, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Puravankara Group launching its new tower at Purva West End in Kudlugate. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download the brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.